Hold on to your hats, folks. Exciting news is thundering down the tracks. The Empire State Fellows Program is back for the 2024 to 2026 term. This is the golden ticket to a prosperous future in policymaking. The Empire State Fellows Program is no ordinary initiative. This is a prestigious leadership training platform, a launchpad for the future policymakers of New York State. This is where the leaders of tomorrow are forged, where potential is transformed into policy, ideas into action. Now, let's talk benefits. Graduates from this program don't just walk away with invaluable experience and a network of like-minded professionals. They secure senior positions with a hearty annual salary of $85,000. And let's not forget, exceptional performance could open the grand doors to continued leadership in the New York State government. So, who can don the mantle of an Empire State Fellow? The program seeks professionals brimming with creativity, leadership potential, and a minimum of 5 years of experience. A beautiful tapestry of backgrounds is welcomed and celebrated. An advanced degree is desirable, but let not the absence of one deter you. Substantial professional experience with a bachelor's degree is considered. However, the ability to work in New York State without sponsorship is non-negotiable. The application process commences on January 5th, 2024. Candidates must submit a complete online form, resume, personal statement, and 2 letters of recommendation. The deadline is April 1st, 2024. In summary, the Empire State Fellows Program is the key to a prosperous future in New York State policymaking. It offers invaluable leadership training, a competitive salary, and a golden opportunity to shape the future of New York State. The program seeks professionals with creativity, leadership potential, and a minimum of 5 years of experience. An advanced degree is desirable, but not essential. The application process opens on the 5th of January, 2024. So, future leaders, the clock is ticking. The Empire State Fellows Program is waiting for you. Apply now and take the reins of your future.